Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Drea from Crochet. If you like what you see, please subscribe to this channel. All right, let's get into it. For today's tutorial, we will be using Red Heart ombre yarn. I don't have the tag on it because I'm literally using like old scrap yarn for the most part. Our scissors, and of course my favorite 5mm hook. Okay, so today's tutorial is going to be on this really cute cat beanie. I am ready for the fall time, so I'm trying to come up with some cute dope creations for that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Of course, like all of our tutorials, we're going to start with our slip knot, and then we are going to chain up according to the circumference of our head. Okay, so give me a second. All right, y'all know I hate being on here, but look, this is one I made already. Super cute. It's kind of giving like elf ears, this one, because I made one and then I tried to use that same pattern, but it's a difference in the yarn, so I'm just seeing like a little slight difference, but it's still cute. So you're pretty much chaining enough chains to go around the circumference of your head. Okay, so for example, mine took about 63 chains. So that's all you're doing. You're chaining up to size the circumference of your head. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to do 63. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, so I'm done my chains. I'm just going to wrap it around my head to see. Yeah, that's perfect. All right. Okay, guys, so after we get our chains, we are going to slip stitch into our first chain to close this up. Okay, and then you'll have your circle that we're going to work around. All right, okay guys, so now that we have it closed off, we're going to chain up 1 and 2, and we are going to be doing double crochet all the way around the circumference of this head. Okay, into every stitch we are doing double crochet all the way around. So that's 2. I'm on my 3rd double crochet. This is a really simple tutorial, guys. Like, I don't even have to really be ahead of y'all. I could just give y'all the instructions, y'all could be done, but here we are. And I love our time together, so I'm just going to act like y'all know what y'all doing. And I'm just keep telling y'all to put double crochet in every single stitch all the way around. Double crochet in every single stitch all the way around. All right? I'm going to see y'all at the end. Okay, guys, I have approached the end of my row. So all I'm going to be doing is slip stitching into this first stitch, the top of this first stitch to close this off. Okay, and we have action. We are closed off. Okay, so that is row 1 of our beanie. We're going to 1, 2, chain up 2, flip our work, and do the same exact thing for this round. We're going into every stitch with a double crochet all the way around. This is the only stitch we'll be using throughout the whole tutorial is double crochet. All right, into every stitch. This is row 2, and I will catch you at the end of row 2, guys. Okay, guys, so I have approached the end of my row. What are we going to do? Slip stitch into the top of our first chain and close that off. So that is row 2. All right, so y'all get it. We're going to chain up 2, 1, 2. We're going to flip our work, and boom, we're right back around with our double crochet. All right, so I'm just going to leave y'all here. We're going to get a few rows done. If you want to work ahead, these hats typically go up to row 17. I don't know what made me say row 17. It's actually row 13. I'm thinking of another tutorial, guys. So we're doing up to row 13. Okay, let's get back into it. But I'll check in at around 7 or 8 just to see how we looking. But yes, this is very simple, very self-explanatory. So yes, go back around, double crochet into every stitch, turn your work, chain up 2, and double crochet back around until you get up to row 13. Okay, y'all, so this is what we're looking like after row, I said I would do to 7, but this is actually row 8. Okay, it's giving like a little cute headband. So boom, there's a tutorial for a headband real quick if you needed that. 2 in 1. So yeah, this is what we're looking like at row 8. We are almost at the top of our head. So yes, keep going, double crochet all the way around, chain 2, flip your work. Okay. Okay guys, we have our 13 rows. Okay, very simple. We are going to move on to closing the top of our head. Okay. So I'm just going to pull enough yarn out of my last stitch so I can use it to stitch my head closed. Just a generous amount, guys. Or you could just cut off and just add more yarn, but I'm just going to cut off, just pull enough yarn to sew mine's closed. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm attached, and we are literally just sewing straight down to close this up by using the 2 inner stitches. Okay, so let me show y'all. And can y'all leave some suggestions as to what y'all use to record, like what kind of overhead equipment y'all use? I try to use my tripod, but it doesn't give me that great overhead view where I can get into details, but I'm going to show y'all the best that I can. Okay, so we are taking this first stitch and this first stitch, but we're only going into the front of it, if that makes sense. So this loop and this loop, so it's only going to be 2 on our stick, not 4. We're not putting the whole stitch through. All right, let me try it again. Child, I just set it on my coffee mugs. Okay, so we are going to be using this one and this one, and we're just going to pull through, slip stitch through this one and this one and slip stitch through. You see? All right, guys, so that's what we're doing. Simple enough. I hope I recorded it, but yes, please, please, please leave some suggestions and some links as to what you use for that great overhead view. I don't get it. I can't get it together. I want to show y'all in detail. I mean, I'm guessing you guys can pretty much see, and my subscribers have a good idea of how I'm explaining it, but I really want to get into it. Like, I really want to show y'all in depth what I'm talking about. So yes. Anyway, we are sewing straight across, slip stitching straight across, I'm sorry. Some people use the needle. I find my hook does the job well, but you can use the needle if you are not using a hook to do this as well. Okay. Okay, guys, we are all stitched up in the top. And this is our head. It doesn't quite look like a kitty cat yet until you put her on. This is what it looks like on. So you don't really tell that it's a kitty hat until it's on. It's kind of like a pop-up kitty. But it's super cute. I cannot wait to rock these in the fall with like some cute pants. So my next tutorial most likely will be on like a pair of pants to match this, especially the black and white. So I made myself a black and white kitty hat, and I wanted to make some little black and white stripe, you know, flare leg pants to match it. Wear my little black leather jacket. I'm such a fall girl. But that's just a little idea I gave y'all to wear with these. Really cute. They don't just have to be for the children, although my daughter loves them. So yeah, peace out, y'all. Hope y'all liked it. If you like what you see, please, please, please like, comment, subscribe to this video. We are almost at 400 subscribers, and I made this page just a little over a month ago, so I'm very happy with that. Thank you so much for the support. I want to keep pouring into my page. Like I say all the time, give me some constructive criticism or things that you would like to see, tutorial ideas, anything. I'm down for it all. But thanks to my little game that I accumulated here over this little over a month time span. So yes, over and out until next time, y'all.